Our focus today is to identify the conditions that will speed up or slow down the dissolving process. Remember, dissolving is when something breaks apart completely in water. And there's three conditions that we're looking at that speed up or slow down the dissolving process. One, which we've already done, is particle size. Larger particles will dissolve slower than smaller particles. Today we're looking at stirring. How does stirring speed up or slow down the dissolving process? So for today's demonstration, I'm going to make a cup of chocolate milk. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of chocolate milk mix into each of the cups, same amount. I'm going to add the same amount of milk to each cup. And I'm going to stir one and not the other. So we're going to see what happens. I'm going to stir this cup right here. We'll just give that good gentle stir for a minute or so. And I'm going to leave this one alone, and we'll see if there's a difference between the two. Now those particles of chocolate milk mix are breaking up and dissolving. And I've got some chunks here floating on the top, so I'm going to use my spoon to break down those larger particles. I can speed up that dissolving process by breaking down the larger particles and making them smaller, using my spoon to break them apart. And there we go. We've got a nice, delicious looking cup of chocolate milk. It also smells very good, by the way. Nice finished cup of chocolate milk over on this side. Now on this side, the one that I haven't stirred, I can see just by looking at the edge of the cup that there's some mix still settled at the bottom. See if I can, yep, and I can pull it out. Don't know if you can see it well, but there's some of the chocolate milk mix that is not dissolved yet on the bottom of this cup. Let's clean that spoon off. There, we're trying to get that mix off of there. Come back over here and just make sure that there's no mix settled to the bottom. Nope, all of the mix has dissolved into this glass of chocolate milk. There's still some chunks over here. There's a lot settled on the bottom. So I'm going to give that a good stir. And while I'm stirring that, I'm going to enjoy a cup of chocolate milk. You'll be replicating the same investigation today, except instead of using, I probably have a milk mustache. Instead of using milk and chocolate milk mix, you guys are using table salt again. You'll be comparing table salt unstirred to table salt stirred, trying to determine which one dissolves faster.